Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's dive into today's topic. Have you ever found yourself wondering what it really means when she's moaning hard in bed? Well, today we're going to break it all down for you. What those intense moans are signaling, and how to know if you're really hitting the mark. Stick around till the end, because there's a lot more going on than you might think. So, here's the deal. Moaning during sex isn't just some automatic reaction. It can be a sign of pleasure, excitement, and connection. But not all moans are the same. Sometimes they mean you're doing everything right, and other times, well, not so much. Today, we're focusing on the good stuff. What does it mean when she's moaning hard? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the psychology and emotions behind those sounds of pleasure. Point 1. She's feeling deep pleasure. First off, let's get this out of the way. If she's moaning hard, chances are you're delivering some serious pleasure. Whether it's from your rhythm, technique, or connection, her body is reacting in the best possible way. Women are often more vocal when they're truly feeling it. Those deep, intense moans, they're her body's natural response to something that feels undeniably good. Subpoint. It's all about hitting the right spots. This could mean you're stimulating her in the perfect way, whether that's physically or emotionally. The key is to pay attention to her reactions and adjust based on what makes her moan even louder. Point 2. She's letting go of inhibitions. Moaning isn't just about the physical sensations. It's also emotional and psychological. When she's moaning loudly, it often means she's letting go of her inhibitions and fully surrendering to the moment. She's comfortable with you, feels safe, and is willing to be vulnerable. That kind of trust is powerful and means you've built a strong connection in bed. Subpoint. Pay attention to her body language. If she's moaning but also seems relaxed, she's not holding anything back. You've created an environment where she feels free to express herself fully. Point 3. You're in sync. When two people are really in sync during sex, the experience is next level. Her moans are a signal that you're both on the same page, working together to create mutual pleasure. It's not just about what you're doing to her. It's about how the two of you are moving together. Moaning is a sign that you found a rhythm that works, that you're tuned into her body, and she's tuned into yours. Subpoint. Syncing up is key. It's not always about speed or intensity. Sometimes it's about timing, anticipation, and knowing when to build up and when to slow down. Point 4. She's reaching climax. Let's be real. When those moans get louder and more intense, it often means she's nearing climax. The body naturally releases sounds as a way to build tension and release it. So, if she's moaning hard, it could be a sign that she's on the brink of orgasm. Pay attention to the shift in her tone, her breathing, and the overall energy between you. If everything feels like it's about to explode, you're probably doing something right. Subpoint. Don't rush it. Keep the pace and intensity that got her there. And don't be afraid to encourage her with soft words or even your own moans. That connection can make her climax even more powerful. Point 5. Emotional connection matters. Now, let's not forget the emotional side of things. When a woman is moaning hard, it's often because she feels emotionally connected. Sex isn't just a physical act, it's a bond. And when that bond is strong, the experience becomes way more intense. Those moans aren't just about physical pleasure. They're about feeling close to you, feeling understood, and feeling safe to express herself. So when she's moaning hard, it's likely a sign that you're nailing both the physical and emotional connection. Subpoint. Always remember to be present, not just physically, but emotionally. Listen to her body, but also be aware of her feelings. The stronger the emotional connection, the more powerful those moans will be. Conclusion. Keep the connection strong. So there you have it. If she's moaning hard, it's a sign you're doing something right. Whether it's about the pleasure you're giving, the emotional connection, or the rhythm you found together, those moans are a good thing. The key takeaway here is to always stay in tune with her. Pay attention to her body, her sounds, and how she's reacting to what you're doing. And hey, if you're curious to learn more about the subtle signs that things are going well in bed, make sure to check out our other videos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content like this, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Leave a comment below with your thoughts, and let us know what other topics you'd like to see covered. Until next time, keep the passion alive and stay tuned for more.